The future of artificial intelligence is accelerating faster than anyone predicted. Meet Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. He zoomed out, looking at where AI will take us over the next decade, and how it will change everything. Jensen shared 9 major predictions that outline the road ahead, and let's break them down one by one. Prediction 1. AI will create more millionaires than the internet did. Jensen believes that within the next 5 years, AI will create more millionaires than the internet did in its first 20 years. Jensen argues that the AI revolution will be even bigger and faster. Because AI is already integrated into almost every industry: healthcare, finance, entertainment, transportation, manufacturing, and beyond. Huang highlights that this isn't just a tech trend, it's a generational wealth shift. Those who understand how to harness AI, whether as developers, entrepreneurs, or investors, could see wealth. Prediction 2. Elite human talent will be valued like capital goods. Jensen's second prediction flips the traditional business model upside down. Traditionally, businesses invest billions into physical assets, factories, machinery, fleets, infrastructure. But in the AI era, Jensen says small teams of researchers, often fewer than 150 people, can be worth billions of dollars. Because these teams have the skills, data, and intellectual property to build AI systems capable of reshaping entire industries. For example, DeepSeek and Moonshot, 2 AI labs making global headlines, have teams of just around 150 people each, yet their innovations are driving massive valuations. Huang suggests that instead of buying companies for their products or facilities, future acquisitions will focus primarily on acquiring this concentrated human talent. Prediction 3. AI will create more jobs, not fewer. The fear that AI will eliminate jobs has dominated headlines for years. But Jensen's third prediction challenges this narrative. He argues that AI will actually create more jobs than it displaces. At NVIDIA, every single employee uses AI in their work, and the company is busier than ever. There are no layoffs; in fact, they can't hire fast enough. Jensen sees AI not as a tool for cutting labor but as a force multiplier, freeing people from repetitive, mundane tasks so they can focus on innovation, strategy, and creativity. For those worried about being replaced, Huang's message is clear: learning to work with AI will make you indispensable. Prediction 4. Everyone will be a programmer. Jensen calls AI the greatest technology equalizer of all time. In the past, coding required years of learning languages like C, C++, or Python. But thanks to AI-powered coding tools, anyone can now build applications, websites, and even entire systems, without writing a single line of code themselves. Just ask the AI how to build, Huang says. AI will not only generate the code but also guide you through the process, turning complete beginners into capable developers. A future where problem-solving, not technical expertise, becomes the most valuable skill. Prediction 5. Everyone will be a creator. With AI, everyone can become an artist, an author, a musician, or a designer. Tools like generative AI are making it possible for individuals to create professional-level music, films, books, and artworks. This explosion of creativity will lead to entirely new industries and markets. In the future, success won't be just about raw talent, but about how effectively you can collaborate with AI to bring your ideas to life. Prediction 6. The era of twin factories. In the future, every industrial company will have 2 factories, a physical one, where products are manufactured, and a digital twin, powered by AI, where every process is simulated, tested, and optimized before production even begins. This means robots can be trained in virtual environments, production lines can be stress-tested without costly shutdowns. Prediction 7. The multi-trillion-dollar AI build-out has just begun. Even though we've already seen billions invested into AI, Jensen says this is only the beginning. He predicts that the global AI infrastructure build-out will reach multiple trillions of dollars over the coming decade. Because AI isn't just another software tool, it's a complete reinvention of computing itself. Prediction 8. The AI Gold Rush in the United States. According to Huang, Arizona and Texas will be the epicenters of America's AI boom. Over the next several years, he expects these states to produce $500 billion worth of AI supercomputers. This surge will not only boost investors and tech companies but also reshape the U.S. economy, making AI a core industry just like energy or automotive manufacturing. Prediction 9. America must own the tech stack. Finally, Jensen's 9th prediction addresses the global AI race. Winning won't just depend on building the best AI models or chips, it will depend on securing the developer ecosystem. Huang warns that if the US loses this developer ecosystem to competitors like China, it could lose its edge entirely, even if it still produces powerful hardware. In other words, whoever wins the hearts of developers will ultimately win the AI race. JensenHuang's 9 predictions make one thing crystal clear: AI isn't just another wave of technology. It's a complete reinvention of how we work, create, and compete, economically and geopolitically. The future belongs to those who learn, adapt, and harness AI to its fullest potential. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like, share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.